Hi, I'm Thomas Bjelkeman, CEO and one of the co-founders at Johannas. We at Johannas believe the future of food production is circular, and it's a €1 trillion opportunity. Food production the way we do it today has massive problems. We essentially believe that the global food production system is broken. All around the world we're creating poor supply chains that are not sustainable, and we're throwing away a third of our food. Food production contributes a third of climate change emissions and a majority of the water consumption. What if we could grow food in closed circular systems? We create living food factories that can provide the world with circular, healthy, tasty and locally produced sustainable food. Our pesticide and pollution-free closed ecosystems use natural processes involving fish, bacteria cultures, vegetables and insects. From that we get great food whilst dramatically reducing food waste and water use. Combined with our data-driven automation and short value chains, this gives us excellent profitability without harming the planet. We started growing our pilot facility in August 2020 and wow, did we succeed? It even surprised us. Top chefs in Sweden said that these are some of the best vegetables they can get hold of. And companies like IKEA and Compass Group want our products for their restaurant chains. We also have a distribution letter of intent with Axel Johnson Group in Sweden. The market opportunity as a whole is at least €1 trillion, including leafy greens, fish feed, berries and food waste management, with a total addressable market for leafy greens of 21 billion in 2028. How do we address this market opportunity? We call it Johannas in a box, which is a blueprint for large-scale circular food production facilities near cities. And we plan to build a network of turnkey living food factories around the world. We have a fantastic, passionate and very experienced team in Stockholm, Sweden, with great supporters. Our big ambition is to become one of the world's largest companies for truly sustainable food production. To do this, we're raising hundreds of millions of euros over 6 years. An investor that joins us at this stage will come in at a very favorable valuation, will be able to help us develop the board, expand the management team and build Johannas into a world-class food company. Comparable companies like Aerofarm and Plenty has grown from a startup to unicorn within a few years. We're now looking for the right investors to join us at this early stage and are currently raising €3.5 million for our automation proof of concept, with 20% already committed by new and existing investors. The proof of concept will be operational by Q3 next year. The first full-scale factory of many will be operational Q4 2024. Thank you for listening, and I'd love to tell you more in our breakout room.